Hello, everyone. I'm sorry you can't come to St Mary's for Harvest this year, but it's lovely to be able to join you by video. At Harvest, one of the things we do is we think of the wonderful world that we live in, whether that's maybe looking up at the stars, or maybe being at the sea, or looking at the trees, looking at the animals. I wonder what it is that makes you go, wow, when you look at the wonderful world that we live in. I've got a song for you that is about the wonderful world that we're going to listen to now.
You painted colors in the sky, made the clouds a tower high. We worship you. You scatter stars with holy hands, dusted rock with golden sands. We worship you. It's a beautiful world out there, simply awesome beyond compare. It's a beautiful world out there, and it's made by you. We bow down, humbled by the world you made, King of love and King of grace. Our voices in wonder and louder than thunder roar. You completely take our breath away. Our simple prayer is this each day. We long for your love, Lord, to hit like a tidal wave, tidal wave, tidal wave, like a tidal wave. You made the mighty oceans roar, stretch them out from shore to shore. We worship you. You breathe and life cascaded through, dance the song of joy to you. We worship you. It's a beautiful world out there, simply awesome beyond compare. It's a beautiful world out there, and it's made by you. We bow down, humbled by the world you made, King of love, King of grace. Our voices in wonder and louder than thunder roar. You completely take our breath away. A simple prayer is this each day. We long for your love, Lord, to hit like a tidal wave, tidal wave, tidal wave, like a tidal wave. For all you've made and all you've done in this place, let praise be sung. For all you've made and all you've done in this place, let praise be sung. For all you've made and all you've done in this place, let praise be sung. For all you've made and all you've done in this place, let praise be sung. We bow down, humbled by the world you made, King of love and King of grace. Our voices in wonder and louder than thunder roar. You completely take our breath away. Our simple prayer is this each day. We long for your love, Lord, to be like a tide. We bow down, humbled by the world you made, King of love and King of grace. Our voices in wonder and louder than thunder roar. You completely take our breath away. Our simple prayer
Another of the things that we do at Harvest is we think about the food that we eat. And I've got for you here a Bible story called The Feeding of Over 5,000 People. And all those people were fed from one child's packed lunch.
A story from the Bible. Jesus feeds more than 5,000 people.
Jesus went across Lake Galilee. He walked up a large hill and sat down with his disciples. A large crowd followed him because they had seen him heal those who were ill. Jesus saw the people coming, and so he said to his disciple Philip,
Philip, where can we go to buy food for all these people?
For everyone to have enough bread, it would cost more than 200 silver coins to get enough.
Another of his disciples, Andrew, said,
There's a boy over there who has 5 loaves of bread and 2 fish, but that won't be enough for everyone.
Make the people sit down.
There was a lot of grass there, so all the people sat down on the grass. There were about 5,000 men, plus women and children.
Jesus took the 5 loaves of bread, said thank you to God for them. He did the same with the fish. He then gave the bread and the fish to all the people who were sitting there. They all had as much as they wanted.
When they were all full, Jesus said to his disciples,
Collect all the food that's left over. Let's not waste any.
So the disciples collected all that was left over and filled 12 baskets with the leftover bread and fish. Seeing this miracle that Jesus had performed, the people said,
Surely this was the prophet who was to come into the world.
I'd just like to introduce you now to Fran. Fran is the vicar at Kingston Seymour and at Ken, so some of you might already have met her. And Fran has got some thoughts to share with us about harvest.
Well, I wanted to share with you just the word harvest, an idea I have about using that word to help me remember what harvest is all about. So let's just look at the word. So here we have the word harvest. Now there are 7 letters in it, and I'm going to use the word to get 3 other words out of to help me remember what I think I need to know about harvest. So let's look at the word harvest. And this time I have put in red the letters I'm going to use for my first word. Now there are 5 letters. I wonder if you can work out what the word might be. This is it. Share. So we remember that harvest is about sharing. Let's look at harvest again. Here we are. And this time I have got only 4 letters in red, and this one's quite easy because the letters all come in the right order for the next word. So can you work the next word out? Have. So for harvest, we share what we have. Then I've got another word to get out of the word harvest, and this time I'm going to use all the letters except for one. So can you work this one out? It's a bit longer. Are you ready? This is it. Starve. At harvest, we remember to share what we have so that others won't starve. So that's my idea about how you can get 3 words out of the long word harvest to help us remember what it means. So just to finish, here we are. Harvest is about sharing what we have so that others don't starve. Sharing what we have so that others don't starve. I bet you've got lots of ideas to share about harvest.
So thank you for letting me join you today. It's been lovely to join with you and think for a few minutes about harvest. And just as we finished, let's have a moment to be quiet. You might like to just close your eyes and maybe think about some of the thoughts that we've had this morning about harvest. And I'm just going to now finish with a prayer. If you want to make it your prayer, then please join in with the Amen at the end. Loving God, thank you for this harvest time. Thank you for the wonderful world that we have and for all that we can share together. Amen. Thank you.